Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my first video on this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a great eye-catching thumbnail for free without using any Photoshop, anything. You can even do it if you're on your phone or on the desktop, but today I'm going to teach you how to do it on the phone. So you go on the App Store and download PicsArt. I need to update it, but I'm not going to do that now. So yeah, after you downloaded it, you go and you open it. It's gonna show this screen over here. Then, well, I think it's gonna show this screen. It's gonna show this screen over here. Then you press the plus sign, and then you go to all photos, and I usually go to free images and type in yellow background or any color background. Try find one with a gradient. Let's try find one. Pretty easy. There we go. I like this one. You choose whichever one you like. I recommend ones like these. And then you press on add photo. You might not know those are. You press add photo. Go to free images again. Yellow background. And then I like this one over here. So you need to try find one that'll put kind of, make it better. I'll show you how it does. Then you just make it bigger, and you put the opacity all the way. I don't know what that says, but to 15 or 13. I don't know. Let's see. Which one seems right? I'll put 13. Depends on your picture. But yeah, I like it in 13 like that. Then press the tick. Yeah, and then remember this, you have to do this before you start everything or nothing's gonna work. If you're doing this for a YouTube thumbnail, press crop, and then you press on 16:9, because that's for the YouTube thumbnail, 16:9. And then from there you're basically good, so you can do whatever you want. But I'm gonna go to Google. I'm gonna type in non-copyright picture, no copyright, right? Try that non-copyright picture of accepted face. You can do whatever you want, depends what kind of thumbnail, but I'm making this thumbnail on how to make a thumbnail for this video. Okay, see there's this one, but I'm not gonna use that one because it's not excited face. But if you go down here, yep, there we go. Okay, shocked face, shocked face, not excited. You screenshot it, then you go to PicsArt, okay? You press add photo, press on the photo you just did, add, and then press on crop, and you crop it so it's easier for the thing to remove the background. Now you press on cutout, this is the thing, press on person, okay, press on person, and you wait for it. It might take a while depending on your internet, but it's like 30 seconds max. Alright, now it's done. You can press on preview, and you can either zoom in and change the size of your rubber hardness to rub out stuff if it's still wired and stuff. But for me it's good. By the way, there's still arrows, so you can or you can restore more stuff if you want with that. But mine's good, so I'm just gonna press save. And I like to make it big, and so it can stand out and stuff. And then I'll rotate it, because it's bothering me. I can also do that, stretch it, stuff. Yeah, so like that. And then add text. We type how. Type whatever you want, by the way, according to your thumbnail. But mine's how to make thumbnail for free. I have to put something that's eye-catching and nice. It's gonna be the title of the video, so that's why I put. covering up, but it doesn't really matter that much. Right, color, go for gradient, that's my opinion, the best. But so it matches the background a bit. Go red and yellow, kind of, like that. A bit more. There we go. And then add the stroke. This is important so it makes it stand out. I usually like to go for how big the thumbnail is the thing. I usually go for around 60, 59, 60. Okay. And then opacity, you could change it like that if you want. But I'll just keep it like that. And then shadow, I'll put it all the way up most of the time. Also for her, bring the hair so people can see it. For her also, you can go for shadow, put it all the way up, and also for the, you add the border on her so it makes it stand out more. That's very important to know. Usually like 15 is good. And now for the really important part, you need to go to stickers, recent, you need to type in red arrow, the red arrow, you just type it in, try find a good one. I like this one here. We can go to rotate and do it this way, then make it down. That looks like she's saying it. See, let's play around with this. See what you like best. Make it like this. Yeah, that looks good. Then when you're good, then do you like it? Press on that button. When you're good and you like it, you press the tick button. And then press the arrow. Press save. Save to save to gallery. Now it's save to gallery. Done. And now you're good. So now, yeah. So that's how to make a YouTube thumbnail, or any thumbnail for anything, to be honest. Yeah, YouTube thumbnail. I think it turned out great. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch. My Instagram's gonna be in the bio. And comment below what video you would like me to do next. For example, how to edit a Fortnite thumbnail, or how to edit a video. Check out my main channel, Rayan Mini. It's also in my channel description. Everything's going to be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.